Tortilla lime soup. This has got to be one of my most favorite soups. So today I'm going to show you how to make my low-calorie version that is plant-based. As you guys know, I lost 70 pounds by remaking my favorite foods in a lower calorie, health-promoting, plant-based way. So let me show you how to make this gorgeous soup. So this one is in my cookbook. You guys can get this in stores at Barnes & Noble if you don't have it already. So you guys like to know when I show you recipes, which ones are in my book and which ones aren't. So this one is in my book if you like to cook along with me.
So I'm going to start off by cooking up one diced onion, then one diced and seeded jalapeno, and I'm going to give that a stir. And I don't put any oil in the pot. This is how I save on fat and calories. Then I'm going to add one 14 or 15 ounce can of diced tomatoes, one can of white beans, one can of black beans, and one can of corn. I'm going to drain and rinse these and get them added to the pot. And then this is my secret ingredient, guys. I add a jar of tomato sauce. I prefer garlic tomato sauce. Then I add 3 cups of water and let that boil for about 10 minutes. After it's done boiling, I season it with some salt and I add cilantro. I love lots of cilantro. Then I add the juice of one whole lime. And because I'm extra, I'm going to add some of these pickled jalapeno slices and I chop them up and throw them in there. So while I was making the soup, I also baked up some tortilla chips. I have a video on my feed on how to do that. And then it is ready to serve up the soup. I like to add my chips and a little bit of avocado, and there she is. She is beautiful and absolutely delicious.
Oh, it's so good. And then what I like to do is take my chips and just break them up in there. So good.